Here's my first date advice for everybody. I like to put them in three categories. One, here's my top favorite thing to do. I'm not setting up a date, one, with a girl that I've never had a phone call, or at least an in-person conversation with in depth and the feeling is there. Whenever I set up my dates, it's always over the phone, and I treat the very first phone call like a first date because I have to understand, is this a girl that I want to be on a date with? That's one. Two, when I'm on that phone call, I'm learning a lot about her. I'm learning the things that she likes to do, the things that she enjoys. Why? Because I'm going to use this to my advantage. A lot of y'all get flaked on because y'all throw out dates without one, building rapport, and two, is something that she don't want to do. If she's sitting there telling you about the things that she likes to do, while you're also building rapport, aka a connection on the phone, it gives her a reason or two reasons to actually go on that date and not deflect on you. One, she feels comfortable with talking to you because you had that conversation on the phone with her, so she knows you're not weird. And two, you set up a date or somewhere that she actually wants to go, so now she looks forward to it. That's one. Two, my favorite thing to do is listen to what she's saying and new experiences, new opportunities. So if she says she wants to do something that she's never done and I've never done it, that's where we're going. Why? Because we have a part in our brain. It's called the amygdala, and what that does, it relates emotions to memories, right? So if I go take her to a spot that she's never been to before, she will always remember the very first time that she went to the spot was with me, whether we stay together or if we don't. The very first moment, so it's like it's literally embedding in her brain. Every time I see this, every time I see this spot or go to this spot, the very first time I went, I remember I went with her. Here's a quick story. Last summer, when I went to go get my neck tattoo, there was this girl I was talking to, and she went to go get a tattoo, and she's never been on a tattoo date before. So what I did was we went to go get a tattoo together. So I was there for her tattoo. She left for mine. She was there for a little bit of mine. And we stopped talking for a little bit. But when we rekindled, she told me that every time I see my tattoo, I have no choice but to think about you because we went together. Every time she sees that tattoo and thinks about when she got that tattoo, she will remember that she went with Vaughn. Right? So I love doing first time experiences because you'll never forget that first time experience, especially if it's good. Third is I like to do what I love to do, right? So bowling is what I love to do. Top golf is what I love to do. And I'm basically just bringing her into my world. Now, this may not be the best first date, but these are good dates over time. You feel me? These are great first dates these are great dates over time. Bringing her into your world, doing what you like. Because once a girl likes you, bro, she really likes you, bro. And it doesn't happen. Sometimes it happens super fast based off of a girl's experience and what she went through, what type of lover she is. Sometimes it happens slow. Like for my girl, I was her very first boyfriend, so we slowly, gradually, like I've been in relationships before, so I understand how it is when you have a girl, and they were years, so I understand how it is when you have a girl that's really loving you, that's really locked in with you, all up under you, want to hang out with you, canceling her friends for you, like. I didn't have that before. And when I first met my girl, she was not like that because she's never been in a relationship before. She's never liked a guy to that point to do those things. So I was overthinking a lot of it before. But now, especially as of recently, my girl always want to come over here. My girl like, yo, I want to come see my boyfriend. Boom. My girl spending the night. She want to stay days over here. She cooking for me. She said she didn't even want to cook. She cooking for me. Like, she doing things that I didn't think she would. Like, she treated me the way she like. These are things that she didn't do before, but it took time for me to learn her and treat her how she wanted to be treated and show her certain things and do certain things that made her get that way. So be patient with the girls that you like. Thanks for the follow, Tina. Be patient with the girls that you like because yes, you should always choose a girl that chooses you, but that don't mean that she's going to be head over heels over you every single time. Some girls will because that's just how they were raised. That's how they were loved. They've been in relationships. That's what they want. But some girls won't. And you can't be mad at that. Like, you have to understand who you're dealing with and what the experiences that they've been through. And that's why they act the way they do and think the way they do and do those things. Well, hi, Maya Dior. You need to write a book, bro. I got ebooks. Thanks for the follow, Lucas. Thanks for the follow. All right, chat. I've been yapping. I still got to get on the game on Twitch. So we're gonna be talking about today's topic. You taking requests? Like what you mean? Like TikTok live requests or like questions requests? If you want to like, oh nah, I'm not adding on. I'm just getting clips from my shit. Came over here to answer questions and I might have hop off. Today we're gonna be talking about the one thing that makes you instantly attractive. This will make you more attractive than anything you've been doing, any lip smacking, any of that shit. Why haven't you been on Patreon? I explained that earlier. I just moved back from Atlanta. I ain't seen my girl in a month and a half, so I've been taking that time to spend with my girl. I was out of town a lot. I don't even know if you've noticed. I posted twice in the last 2 weeks on TikTok. Same on Instagram. So I'm just now getting back into my content bag. Don't worry, Patreon gonna be back soon.